Hello, my name is Stephanie and I am your window expert from Window City. I hope you find this replacement window video helpful. If you would like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Enjoy.
Our classic double sliding lift-out windows come with a 3 1/4 inch fusion welded frame and sash for superior strength. These windows are made with a multi-chamber design which significantly increases overall strength and energy efficiency. The window's sashes slide smoothly horizontally within the frame and the sash lifts out, permitting easy exterior cleaning from inside. The weep holes on our frame are designed as part of our high-tech drainage system to allow water to escape from the window. The sashes come with a triple weather strip sealing system for air and water tightness. The classic double sliding windows come with fully interlocking sashes to maximize security and minimize air infiltration. Our classic windows are designed with a smooth, unique European profile and come standard with a heavy-duty cam action locking system. Our full screen can be easily removed from the inside for cleaning. Double strength glass is standard in our insulated unit, along with low E 180 neat glass with an S-Class all-foam super spacer. It is a true dual seal warm edge spacer system to reduce condensation and to provide the highest Energy Star performance. Our classic double sliding lift-out windows come standard with double pane sealed units and tri-pane is optional. They are also available with argon or krypton gas or even a mix of argon and krypton inside to provide superior insulation values. Special glass options are available within colors such as bronze or gray and different finishes such as frosted or sandblast. Grills and divided light options are available to create a unique architectural element to your windows. Our double sliding lift-out windows are Energy Star and CSA approved and come with a non-prorated lifetime warranty. Please visit our website at www.windowcity.com for the latest available options to personalize your windows. You will find that you can choose from various interior and exterior trim options, glass and glazing options, and many premium window hardware finishes. You can even choose from our exclusive capstock standard color options. If you are building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.